and pull it away. Then if you've got a large, you just trim that off, that's not used. So you've now got your carcass and your 2 wing breasts. This would be used for stock. Your chicken's ready for whatever you want to use it for. With the legs, first job is you actually pull the skin back, cut around the skin so that it releases the skin, taking the end, break it over the joint and then twist it around. What this does is it pulls all of the sinews in the drumstick out and releases them. So when you do that, you've tenderised the chicken drumstick by removing all of the tendons. It's also, the bone is nice and clear and clean. Now the leg could be braised as it is, or in this case I'm going to cut it into an escalope. So what we do is we cut on the inside of the bone, then we release the meat off of the bone all the way along, and again on the top of the bone here. Lift the bone up, put your knife underneath the bone and release the meat. Do the same on the other end. Actually release the meat. Then taking bone between your finger and your thumb, just squeeze it. Then place your knife on the joint, and again with a gentle sawing motion that way and pushing the knife that way, you actually remove all of the bone out, and we're then left with a boned out chicken leg, or as it's referred to, an escalope. The bone would be used for stock, the foot would be thrown away, not used. Again, repeat that, cut through the skin, adjust the skin, break the foot over and then twist. Remove all of the tendons, they've now been pulled out and released it. Again, as we're going to turn this into a scallop, cut on the inside of the chicken leg, remove the meat on the top of the bone, so it's released. Then we pick the bone up, come underneath, release it.